Yeah, what's up, everybody? Doing a quick reaction video to
I think
Iron
it's
Man trading
ridiculous
video.
because all of these Forex and trading gurus are teaching the same thing, and it's all information that's already on the internet for free. If you look hard enough, all the information that they're teaching is free. They didn't invent some magical strategy. And I'm not going to sell out and start doing a VIP paid course so that I can make money off of you guys. That's not my goal. I don't need you guys to pay me every single month.
Bow bow, just wait, it gets even
caught.
better.
Alright, I really debated not making this video because it is not me whatsoever. I don't like to flaunt what I have. I have more Yeezys than you can shake a stick at. So a majority of my watches are going to be G-Shocks. So I have a Rolex Submariner, Mercedes C43 AMG, the Mercedes GLE. I'll order 3 filet mignons when I go to dinner and not even bat an eye at it. I know they're really nice. I have nice cars. I have a nice house. I have nice clothes. I have nice shoes. It literally doesn't matter to me. I'm a very humble person. I have every single color that you can imagine. These are just the ones that I have at my office.
There's typically a ton of work that goes into exposing fake trading gurus, but every once in a while I find one that does all the work for me.
But I got a job at a cryptocurrency exchange, and through that process, like literally at the time I knew nothing about it. So I had to teach myself while I was there. I lied in my application saying, yeah, I know everything. And then I spent months and weeks and years literally just learning everything that I could. And through that process, I learned about day trading and analyzing the charts. I was getting so knowledgeable about technical analysis and trading. That's when I started to risk my own money trying to trade. And during that time at that cryptocurrency exchange, I realized that they were a scam, so I needed to figure out how to make as much money as possible so that I would have a nice, comfortable, cushion, a safety net, a buffer zone.
So he says he knew they were a scam, and then says he needed to make as much money as possible. You will lose your mind when I show you the final video he's in on that YouTube channel for the crypto exchange.
Welcome, everybody. My name is Arty. I'm the CEO of the Coins Loop Project. I'm so glad you could join.
Let me stop over here. I know there's so many different crypto projects, a lot of pump and dump. So many people got scammed during that phase of people trying to hop in for these crazy returns. So if you got in early, or the founders, you most likely made money before it got dumped, and people are left with huge losses. So just be careful for these crypto scams with these random coins and these random projects.
Join us here today. I have a very special video for you. This is the first time ever that we're publicly stating the potential earnings that investors can make when investing in the Coins Loop project and buying Loop tokens. So if you are unaware completely of what the Coins Loop project is, we have created the world's first cryptocurrency loot boxes.
So did you realize they were a scam before or after promoting the crypto version of
do
Loot
your
Crates
due
that you
diligence,
claimed to be the CEO of, which obviously tanked after going public and is now down over 99%, like all crypto projects that are only done to scam the public and to make the founders rich? And is this what you were referring to when you said you needed to make as much money as possible? And yes, you heard that right. He was uploading crypto investment and trading advice before he had ever been a trader. He was not a trader yet. He had never even done it before. And this is the kind of stuff he was making.
If you guys are looking to make quick money in cryptocurrencies, altcoins are still moving like crazy. So sort this chart by the top performers in the last 24 hours.
Yeah, and just be careful, man. Definitely do your due diligence. And when you look at these different coins, there's so many different types, different projects going on. Many of them are pump and dumps, but let's do due diligence.
Look at the charts and see which ones still have room to grow. If you catch one of these at the right time, say you invested in sushi yesterday with $10,000. Today, you would have $24,000. That's insane. All right, now let's jump into TradingView and take it.
Yeah, example was like Dogecoin and these other Dogecoin and Dogecoin. There's so many different types that was out there during the wave of all different cryptocurrencies that people try to hop on for huge, crazy percentage increases, but most of them were pump and dumps.
A deep dive into Ethereum to see what happened with the price over the last 24 hours and where I think the price is going to go in the future.
I believe women of color like myself can bring a lot to the tech industry. All of this and then some more.
Ads.
Literally at the time I knew nothing about it.
Before 2024 and back to 2021, when Arty said, I'm not going to sell out and start doing a VIP paid course so that I can make money off of you guys. He made YouTube videos like living in Poland as an American, and my personal favorite of when he unboxed a new treadmill. Very exciting. To Poland. He was then hired by the crypto exchange CoinCasso to run their YouTube channel. You know, the job he got by lying.
I lied in my application saying, yeah, I know everything. And then I spent months and weeks and years literally just learning everything that I could. And through that process, I learned about day trading.
He only started trading long after he had been making videos about it, plus technical analysis, investing, price predictions, and more, which is summed up best by this quote.
Yeah, I would say try to see people to show results if you're trying to take advice from them, or if you see if you can see them trade live. That's a good way to know if they can really trade, if they trade live in the market, and you can ask questions in real time, you know. So that's like the best bet, since, you know, anybody can look at information. There's so much information out there, but do you know how to apply and execute during different market conditions? It's a question.
Quote, I'm going to show you how to make massive profits every single day trading cryptocurrency. He then supposedly realized the company was a scam and that he needed to make as much money as possible before leaving. Coincidentally, or not, the last video he was a part of with CoinCasso was him being the CEO of a blatant scam of a crypto project that was completely abandoned, and any long-term holders lost all of their money. Remember, this is what he said a few years later.
And during that time at that cryptocurrency exchange, I realized that they were a scam, so I needed to figure out how to make as much money as possible so that I would have a nice, comfortable, cushion.
So, you do the math there. You know, maybe connect some dots, allegedly. I don't think anyone ever got their Tesla Model X's. He was deceiving the viewers of CoinCasso to get their money by pretending to be knowledgeable and competent in the trading and crypto world. He also claimed to be the CEO of a blatant crypto scam. But we're moving on, because this isn't a difficult concept for anyone who wasn't going to ignore this video anyways. Because actually, Arty was really helpful to learn about indicators and technical analysis when I was a beginner and new to trading. I'm not profitable yet, but that's because my trading psychology is making my ascending triangles not work. Not because doing swipes on the Less than 2 months after Arty allegedly made his money by scamming everyone, he started up the Moving Average channel. Based on his timeline, this would mean that he had only been trading for just a few months maximum at this point. So surely he didn't start a YouTube channel just to target beginners for YouTube ad revenue by posting clickbait and pretending to be a profitable and experienced trader, right? Wrong. This began the birth of useless videos that only beginners think are helpful, which is confirmed every time I upload one of these videos and read the comments. If you think any of these things work, watch the video in the top right and feel free to try and refute anything. Because so far, only about 2 people have tried to say it was wrong, and those people happen to sell indicators, so, what would you expect? Remember, this is an unprofitable, completely new trader starting up his own channel, teaching people how to trade after doing the same thing for CoinCasso. But we're not done yet. It's about to get even better.
I started playing around with growing small Forex accounts. That's when I did the 20 pip challenge. I failed it 18 times. That video is linked down below. But eventually I had a $50,000 trading account. And with that, I was able to make like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 a month.
That was that sound effect. It's probably copyrighted, so I gotta make my own. $6,000 a month on a 50K account for a year is a 144% return, making Arty one of the greatest traders of all time. Even more impressive is that he did this just barely after learning what crypto was. Wow, what a guy. I realized something insane when I was working on this, and I bet I'm right about it. Allegedly, of course.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop it right there. Pretty much, trading, he definitely broke it down. Definitely called him out on his scam, since he's very knowledgeable. Trading, been trading for years, so he knows how to trade. So this person, because on YouTube, there's so many different influencers and different opportunities for people to come into that space and become like a guru easily through videos. So you just gotta be mindful and try to trade live. The best to learn in real time with other experienced traders. So there's multiple live streams that are on. I do a live stream. Other traders do a live stream. So definitely hop on live streams to practice and talk markets, talk charts, so you could learn and see what really works and try some of these strategies that these YouTubers be saying. So if you have any comments, comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this video right now. Overall, I think this video is pretty good in terms of, you know, how he exposed the scam and bringing awareness to people who are new, who may get caught, because, you know, YouTube, there's so many videos out there. So definitely check out this video, comment, let me know what you think. You already know we out here. Peace.